Namaskar, I am Adarsh. Welcome to Adarsh Education Society.
Morning students, let us continue with our chapter 5. Today we are going to learn about wandering seeds. Plants cannot move around. Once they grow, they remain in the same place, but their seeds are great travelers. They can reach far and wide. Look at the picture 1 on the next page and see flying seeds. We don't see the plants moving around. The plants are stable as they are. They don't go here and there. What will happen if we see plants moving around the roads? They have wore shoes and they are going here and there. The road will be full of plants. But plants, they cannot move. They are in their place where they grow. They remain in the same place. Now let us learn on the next page. Have you ever seen any seeds that can fly? Yes, we have seen the seeds that can fly. The seeds of milkweed, or we can also say a fairy-like structure seeds, जिसे हम विश डिज़ायर कहते हैं, जो हम अक्सर हमारे घर पे उड़ता हुआ देखते हैं. What is it called in your area? In our area it is called बुढ़िया के बाल. वो वाइट फरी टाइप होता है, इसलिए कोई कोई उसे क्या कहता है? बुढ़िया के बाल. Look at your seed collection. Guess how many of those could have traveled by flying? तो जो हमने सीड्स चार्ट किया है उसमें से कौन से सीड्स फ्लाई कर सकते हैं? द लाइट सीड्स, they can fly by wind like cumin seeds, any seeds. Look at the picture 2. This seed cannot fly. Picture 2. This seed cannot fly, but it can still travel by sticking onto the fur of animals or on our clothes. In this way, it gets a free ride. Did you get any idea from these seeds? Read how the idea of Velcro came to George Mestral. Now we can see in the picture 2. We can see in the picture 2. This seeds has thorny like structure. कांटे जैसा कुछ है इस सीड्स में. तो ये सीड्स फ्लाई नहीं कर सकते, फिर भी ये ट्रैवल करते हैं. कैसे? By sticking on the fur of animals and on the clothes of human beings. Now we will see how the George Mestral got idea of making Velcro. This happened in 1948. One day, George Mestral came back from a walk with his dog. He was amazed to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and on his dog's fur. He wondered what made them stick, so he observed these seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seeds had many tiny hooks which got stuck to clothes or fur. This gave Mestral the idea of making Velcro. Now when he was going for a walk with his dog, he was surprised to see that some seeds have stuck to his clothes and on his dog's fur. So he wondered that what made them stick. ये क्यों स्टिक हो गए हैं हमारे कपड़ों से डॉग्स के फर के ऊपर. Then he observed these seeds under a microscope. He saw that seeds had many tiny hooks. उसने देखा कि सीड्स में छोटे छोटे tiny hooks है, छोटे छोटे hooks है जो हमारे कपड़ों में अटक जाते हैं. So this gave Mestral the idea of making Velcro. He made a material with similar tiny hooks that would stick. तो उसने एक ऐसा मटेरियल बनाया जिसमें टाइनी हुक्स हो, और टाइनी हुक्स होने की वजह से वो मटेरियल अगर किसी पे लगाते हैं तो वो चिपक जाता है, स्टिक हो जाता है. Velcro is used to stick together many things: clothes, shoes, bags, belts and many more. What a way to take inspiration from nature. So we use Velcro in various ways. We see Velcro in our shoes, our belt, our purse, our bags, etc. Now on the next page, look at the pictures given below and guess how the seeds travel and reach different places. Now we can see the pictures of animals, birds. So now we will learn how the seeds can travel. Some plants spread their seeds over long distances. When the soybean pods are ripe, they burst and the seeds are thrown out. Have you ever heard their sound? Now some plants spread their seeds over long distance. There are seeds of soybean pods. When they are ripe, जब वो पक जाते हैं तो अपने आप बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं, तो बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं तो उसमें जो सीड्स है वो यहाँ वहाँ फैल जाते हैं. The seeds of soybean pods scattered, they spread here and there. Think what would happen if seeds does not spread and remained at one place only. अगर सीड्स यहाँ वहाँ फैलेंगे नहीं, सिर्फ एक ही जगह पर अगर गिरेंगे तो क्या होगा? तो जो वो प्लांट है, that kind of plant will be at only one place. Now we can see, we can find coconuts in Gujarat also, in Maharashtra also and in Kerala also. Mostly in Kerala, but we can also find in Gujarat and Maharashtra. How is it? Because the seeds of coconuts travel by water. Make a list of the different ways by which seeds are spread. Now let us see how the seeds are spread. Seeds are spread by wind. कुछ लाइट सीड्स होते हैं जो विंड से उड़ जाते हैं और जब वो उड़ जाते हैं तो वो जहाँ पे जाके रुकते हैं वहीं पे उसका एक नया प्लांट होता है. Then the seeds are spread by animals and birds. Animals and birds कुछ खाते खाते कहीं पे कुछ गिरा देते हैं. So they spread the seeds. Then seeds are spread by human beings. अगर हमें कहीं पे कुछ अगर अच्छा लगता है तो हम वहाँ से कोई प्लांट लेकर आते हैं, कोई सीड्स लेकर आते हैं. अगर हमें किसी के घर पे कोई प्लांट अच्छा लगा तो हम उनको कहेंगे ना कि थोड़ा सा प्लांट आप मुझे दीजिए, मैं भी अपने घर पे लगाऊंगा. ओके, सो दिस आर द डिफरेंट वेज बाय विच सीड्स आर स्प्रेड. हु केम फ्रॉम वेयर? हैव यू इंक्लूडेड ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो इन योर लिस्ट? यस, हमने ह्यूमन बींग्स को भी हमारी लिस्ट में इंक्लूड किया है. Yes, we also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or unknowingly. We bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow them in our garden. Later, the seeds of this plant spread to other places. Many years later, people may not even remember that these plants did not grow here earlier. Now, हम कैसे सीड्स स्प्रेड करते हैं? वी ब्रिंग सीड्स ऑफ प्लांट दैट वी फाइंड ब्यूटीफुल और यूजफुल. जब हम किसी के घर पे जाते हैं और हमें कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो वो वहाँ से हम सीड्स या छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स लेकर आते हैं और हमारे घर में लगाते हैं. हमारे घर पे अगर किसी को अच्छा लगा तो वो हमसे ले जाएंगे. ऐसे ये प्लांट्स कितनी जगहों पे जा सकता है? तो एक ही प्लांट कितनी जगहों पे पाए जाते हैं. Many years later, people may not even remember that these plants did not grow here earlier. तो ऐसे जाते जाते कहाँ से कहाँ सब झाड़ पहुँच जाते हैं. किसी को ये भी याद नहीं रहेगा कि मेनली ये ट्री कहाँ पे था. Do you know from where chilies came to our country? These were brought to India by traders coming from South America. Today we cannot think of food without chilies. ऐसे ही हम एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे चिलीज़ का. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड चिलीज़ एवरीवेयर. कैन वी इमेजिन अवर फूड विदाउट चिलीज़? नो, वी कांट इमेजिन अवर फूड विदाउट चिलीज़. लेकिन ये आया कहाँ से? इंडिया में. सो वी ब्रॉट इट फ्रॉम साउथ अमेरिका. ये मेनली पहले कहाँ होता था? साउथ अमेरिका में. फिर हमें वो अच्छा लगा तो हम वहाँ से वो सीड्स लेकर आए और हमने इंडिया में ग्रो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके, नाउ लेट अस डू ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. Read this poem to know which plant came from where. Did you know this? From South America, long ago came a tomato, a potato and a green chili. In this poem we can learn that which things came from where. Now, tomato, potato and green chili, they come from South America. ये कहाँ से आते हैं? ग्रीन चिल्ली, पोटैटो और टोमेटो, ये कहाँ से आते हैं? साउथ अमेरिका से. Do you know this? A cabbage came from Europe and also a pea. Peas यानी मटर. कैबेज ये कहाँ से आते हैं? यूरोप से. From America came a coffee bean and a green bean. देन अफ्रीका से हम लोग क्या क्या लाए हैं? कॉफ़ी बीन्स और ग्रीन भिंडी. दे क्रॉस्ड द लैंड, दे क्रॉस्ड द सी. डिड यू नो दिस? तो वो यहाँ पे कैसे पहुँचे? लैंड क्रॉस करके, सी क्रॉस करके. अ मैंगो sang, come in, come in. An orange smiled inside its skin. Welcome to India, a banana said. The methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. But there are some vegetables and fruits. They are from India itself. कौन से है वो? Mango, orange, banana, methi, spinach, brinjal and radish. Okay, so these are some vegetables and fruits which are from India itself. ये इंडिया के ही है, ये हमने कहीं से import नहीं किए हैं. Okay, now what all was grown in India long long ago? तो इंडिया में क्या ग्रो करते हैं हम? मैंगो, ऑरेंज, बनाना, brinjal, radish, etc. Were mangoes and bananas grown here? Yes, mangoes and bananas are grown in India. What came from other countries? अगर हम दूसरे कंट्रीज से हम क्या क्या लेते हैं? ग्रीन चिल्ली, पोटैटो, टोमेटो, कैबेज, पीज, कॉफी बीन्स, ग्रीन भिंडी. Imagine food without potatoes or tomatoes. Can we imagine our food without potatoes and tomatoes? No, we can't imagine our food without potatoes and tomatoes. Now the last part, what we have learned. Reena has drawn the picture of the seed sprouted by her. What do you think the seeds need for sprouting? Now Reena has drawn the picture of the seeds she had sprouted. What do you think the seeds need for sprouting? हमें seeds के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? Heat, air and water. Write in your own words. How would Reena's seeds look if they did not get the things needed? Show by drawing a picture. अगर उसके seeds को air या water या heat इसमें से कुछ अगर नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा? अगर पानी नहीं मिला तो वो वैसे के वैसे ही रहेंगे, उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आए. अगर उसको एयर नहीं मिला और पानी ज़्यादा मिला तो क्या हो जाएगी? वो स्वेल हो जाएगी. How do seeds spread to far off places? Write in your own words. How did the seeds spread to far off places? By the means of birds, animals, human beings, wind, etc. Okay. So with this we have finished our 5th chapter. Okay. Thank you students.